Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I want to talk to you about Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. I'll show you what it looks like, and I also want to give you a tip for dealing with this big old clunky container, because I don't know about you, I love the pricing on the big old and clunky, but I'm kind of getting tired of all these brand names staring me in the face. I have a little idea, which is not, the most original idea in the world, but it will pretty things up. But first of all, the lotion. I love Cetaphil products. If you have sensitive skin, you can almost always be sure that it's going to be a good choice for you. They're neutral, they're fragrance-free, very gentle, and I use this moisturizing lotion every day. But now for my tip, because I got tired of seeing this on the counter. I just went out and got a very affordable little bottle. Any kind of bottle would do. It has a pump just like the bottle, and it comes out really easily. A lot prettier to see something like this around, and I've kind of made it my little mission to do this with all kinds of products, especially when you buy the super big size. No one needs to see that. For me, it just ticks all the boxes. It absorbs quickly, it makes my skin feel great, it's not greasy afterwards. So I definitely recommend getting the big old tub of this one and trying my tip. If this review was helpful for you, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. All kinds of beauty products going on here. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.